Here we are today in the heart of Germiston, Gauteng. I find myself deep in a very noisy factory, an industrial factory, hosted by one of our gold partners, Crown Technologies, actually our longest standing partners. We are here servicing and finding out more about how they solved exactly what their client needed. They had problems, power outages, theft, and breakdown in a production line. Thank you, Crown Technologies. We solved the client's solution exactly the way they needed. Number one, saving on electricity. Number two, happy client, no waste in downtime on manufacturing. And number three, sunshine in your pocket, no more money spent on Eskom, or a huge savings. So if you're looking for an authentic, reliable service provider that listens to what you need, call Crown Technologies.